Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Cafe. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It also asked for the tune-up. So I did the tune-up for this machine and a service like this, this valve, and deep clean the group head, replace the group head gasket and shower screen and all of these gaskets. And these two were for the side glass kit, and this is in this one here inside the group head here, and this is the group head gasket. This tiny one is behind there, and this is for the gauge, this one. So let's go ahead, and yeah, this is the old side glass and the cover. Got deep cleaning for the steamer, and the steam valve also gets serviced. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. This is not the best beans and like calibrated grinder for the Pavoni, but I just wanna show how the machine functioning. 4 seconds. That's perfect. Let's test the steamer. That works great. I also like always to test the machine without the portafilter. I like to do it always. That works good. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.